I have these brass wreath rings. I got a pack of 3 from the Dollar Tree. And they come with 3 different sizes. I'm going to start with the largest one. And using some E6000, this is an industrial strength glue, and I get the small tubes from Hobby Lobby. I grab these Thanksgiving scatter confetti. They're like little wooden leaves meant to scatter on your table. And I'm going to take the E6000 and put it on the ring and then add the leaf. Now, there are 4 different styles of leaves in this package. So I'm just going to pick a pattern and go around the entire wreath ring until the entire thing is covered. And it just happened to work out that it all fit perfectly. And then I'm going to allow that to dry for a few hours. Next, I got these fall berries from Hobby Lobby. And I like these because there's a wire in these stems so you can bend the berries to shape your ring. And I'm going to take 2 of them, and I'm just going to cut off some of the stem. We don't need it that long. And I'm going to place one on the left and the right side. And I'm going to find the center of the bottom of the ring, and that's where I'm going to glue. I'm going to add some hot glue to one of the wooden leaves and just hold that in place until it's dry. I have some green floral wire. I like to just use this to hold it down so it's not flopping all over the place. So you just need a very small piece of floral wire, and you can even hide that under the berries as well. And I did that both on the left and right side. And I'm using these metal shears to cut anything with a wire in it. They work great for little things like that. I have these felt leaves that I had also grabbed from a dollar store. And they are double-sided, so there's a color on one side and a color on the other. And I'm going to place them at the bottom of my wreath, holding it down with some of the hot glue. And then I found this pre-made bow from Dollar Tree as well. I love these because they're already pre-made. If you're not good at making a bow, these are a great thing to keep your eye out for. And it came 2 in a pack, and I'm just going to glue that right in the center. Now you can certainly just leave the wreath ring like this. I think this looks really nice, but I'm just going to add one more thing to it using this burnt orange burlap ribbon. I'm going to cut it the length of my wreath ring, and I'm just going to let it hang out just a little bit, cutting an angle on both the left and right side. And I'm going to lay it right under the wreath ring. Now I have these fall wood words I grabbed from Hobby Lobby. It's a pack that has 3 different words in it: grateful, thankful, blessed. And I'm going to pick thankful, and I'm going to glue that in the center of the burlap ribbon. Now I have this little mat. I like it because it has the measurements on it, so this is just going to help guide me to keep that ribbon in the back as straight as I can. I grabbed that small mat from Walmart. And once I feel like everything is pretty even and centered, I'm just going to glue the wreath ring to the burlap ribbon. And then I'm going to take the word thankful, and I'm going to glue that in the center of the burlap. And I'm just going to leave it unfinished, but you can certainly paint it any color of your choice. And then I'm just going to flip it over to add a hanger. I'm using the E6000 and a piece of jute. And I'm just making the jute about 1.5 inches long, and I'm just gluing it down on the back side of the wood leaves and wreath ring. And then I allow that to fully dry. And there we go. Now we just have this very cute, really inexpensive wreath that says thankful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.